Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss problem solve of diagonal scale. According to their hardness, the problems has been subdivided into three different categories: basic level, intermediate level, and advanced level. Before starting this video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that the end of this video you will be able to answer all the question correctly. Thanks to all of you for subscribing the channel and watching other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Join our QGO first semester community to attend the free online classes. The link has been given in the description drop-down menu and the community page of this channel also. Concept and use of diagonal scale. At first, terminology. The Greek word diagonias, where dia means throw and gonias represent corner. The Latin word diagonals has been coined from it. Definition of diagonal scale. Diagonal scale is a measuring instrument which is composed of a set of parallel straight lines which are obliquely crossed by another set of straight lines followed by the principle of similar triangle. Principle. Here the shortest length is divided into number of parts in which sides are proportionally divided into required number of equal parts. Use. Diagonal scale are often used to measure small fraction of the unit of measurement in geographic and engineering drawing to read length with higher accuracy, as it represent a unit into three different multiple in meters, centimeters and millimeters, as well as other unit accordingly. Basic exercise question BEQ. BEQ 1. Draw a diagonal scale to read 3 km, 7 hectometer and 75 meter for the map where RF1 is to 32,000. What will be the minimum length of the scale? BEQ 2. Draw the diagonal scale to read 2 year 2 feet 11 inches for the map where RF1 is to 32 and also calculate the minimum length of the scale. Now come to solve BEQ1 calculation part. Here is the calculation part. Calculation for diagonal scale. Here the basic exercise question 1. Question is, draw diagonal scale to read 3 km, 7 hectometer and 75 meter for the map where RF1 is to 32,000. What will be the minimum length of the scale? At first, the calculation part will be subdivided into three parts. Step 1 for distribution of values, step 2 for value of one primary division, and step 3 for total length of the scale. Okay, now we can proceed. In primary division of distribution of values, Here 1 kilometer value is 1 kilometer and number is 3. So length will be 1 into 3, that is 3 kilometer. In secondary division, value is 1 hectometer, number is 7. So the length will be in secondary division 1 hectometer into 7, that is 7 hectometer. And also remember that number of how many division are there in secondary part. Here the formula is value of primary division divided by value of secondary division, that is 1 kilometer divided by 1 hectometer, that is 10 division, that is 10 division. And in tertiary division value is 25, number is 3, so it will be 75 meter, and number of tertiary division 1 hectometer divided by 25 meter. 1 hectometer it is come from the value of secondary division. Okay, here the 1 hectometer and the value of tertiary division it is 25 meter. So 1 hectometer divided by 25 meter, it will be 4 division. It is the easiest way. You can take here only 5 meter, then it will be 20 division. Okay, you can also do it, but it is time taking, more time taking. Okay, so we can do easily by with less time. So in this way we can proceed. Okay, now the step 2 for value of one primary division. According to the scale 1:32,000, so we can write 32,000 centimeter on the ground is represented by 1 centimeter on the map. In this way 1 kilometer, that is 10 to the power 5 centimeter, 1 into 10 to the power 5 centimeter on the ground is represented by 3.125 centimeter on the map. Okay, so one primary division will be 3.125 centimeter. In this way, step 3 for total length of the scale, 3.125 centimeter on the map is represented by 1 kilometer on the ground. So in both sides we can multiply 5 to have a better representation of scale. For our paper, we always know that for our drawing we can take the total length 15 to 16 centimeter, and in case of inch it is 5 to 6 inch. It will be better representation. Okay, so remembering that things, we can multiply 5 in both sides. So 3.125 into 5, it will be 15.625 centimeter, and so the total length will be 15.625 centimeter. Here the another question, what will be the minimum length of the scale? Remember that for minimum length of the scale we take always number of primary division plus one extra primary division for showing the secondary and tertiary division. Okay, so the total primary division will be 3 plus 1, that will be the 4 primary division. 1 primary division equal to 3.125, it will show it will be for 4 primary division 12.5 centimeter. So the minimum length of the scale will be 12.5 centimeter, but total length of the scale for drawing 15.625 centimeter. Let's come to drawing part. Here the basic question 1, drawing part. At first take the total length and equally spaced 4 parallel line. As you can easily choose here 0.1 inch or 0.2 inch, as you take it, it's depend upon you. So the 4 equally spaced parallel line here taking the total length of the scale, and then it will be divided into 5 equal part as we multiply 5 in primary division to have the total length of the scale. So here the 5 equal part. Okay, now in secondary division we have to draw the 10 equal part. Okay, one primary division equal to 10 secondary division. So the total 10 equal line. Here the 10 parallel line cross the another parallel set of lines. In our definition we had already discussed here. And now here the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 kilometer, and here 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is 10 hectometer, and here 0, and first is 0.25 meter, second is 50 meter, third is 75 meter, and fourth is 100 meter. First is 25 meter, 25, second 50, third 75, and fourth 100 meter. Now the arrow line shows the 3 kilometer in the primary division and 7 hectometer in secondary division. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7, and 75 in upper portion. You can go here from this point to this point. Total length of the arrow line is 3 kilometer, 7 hectometer, and 75 meter. And the minimum length of the scale up to this portion, that is 4 primary division, 3 primary division here, and another primary division here. Up to this portion is the minimum length of the scale. Okay, and total length it will take, for the convenience of our drawing, we can take the total length from 14 or 15 to 16 centimeter. Okay. Now come to the another question, basic question, exercise question 2, calculation part. Here the question is, draw diagonal scale to read 2 year 2 feet 11 inches for the map where RF 1:32, and also calculate the minimum length of the scale. The question has been discussed in our previous video, the graphical construction of diagonal scale. Here the basic homework question. Draw diagonal scale to read 4.725 kilometer for the map where RF 1:33,000, and what will be the minimum length of the scale. Okay, just like the previous question. Okay, and basic homework question 2, draw diagonal scale to read 15.57 kilometer for the map where RF 1:410,000. Also calculate the minimum length of the scale. Try to solve the question. Okay, try to solve the question and submit the calculation and drawing part as a single PDF in our website theqgeo.com. Join our QGeo first semester community to attend the free online classes. The link has been given in the description drop down menu and the community page of this channel also. Come to the intermediate exercise question. IEQ 1. Draw diagonal scale to read 45.65 kilometer for the map where RF 1:281,000. And IEQ 2. Draw diagonal scale to read 1/100th part of an inch as conventional scale and marked an arrow line to read 5.67 inch on it. Now the calculation part of IEQ 1. The calculation part also subdivided into 3 parts. In step 1, distribution of values. Here the total value we have to distribute here 45.65 kilometer. In primary division the value is 10 kilometer and number is 4. So it will be 40 kilometer. In primary division it will be 40 kilometer. In secondary division value is 1 kilometer and number is 5. Okay, so it will be 5 kilometer in secondary, and how many division are there in the secondary part? The formula is value of primary division, that is 10 kilometer here, and value divided by value of secondary division 1 kilometer. Okay, so 10 kilometer divided by 1 kilometer, that is 10 division. And in the tertiary division, here we will represent it in the vertical section of the scale. Here value is 0.05 kilometer and number it will be 13, so that the total value will be 0.65 kilometer. Okay, and how many division are there in tertiary part? Value of secondary division divided by value of
with your phone SIM card, so there was an error with your phone SIM card, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
number of division here, number of division in tertiary part, value of primary division divided by value of secondary division divided by value of tertiary division. So 1 kilometer by 0.05 kilometer, that is 20 division. Remember it. How many division are there in tertiary part? Then you have to calculate value of secondary division divided by value of tertiary division. Okay, now come to the second part, step 2, value for one primary division. According to scale, here 280,000 centimeter on the ground is represented by 1 cent on the map. In this way, here 10 kilometer on primary division, 10 kilometer represented by 3.57 centimeter. So one primary division is 3.57 centimeter. Okay, now come to the total length part, total length of the scale. Step 3, 3.57 into 5. Remember it, a number we have to multiply in both sides, here 5, here 5, so that we can get the value 14 to 16 centimeter. Here nearer to the 16 centimeter, 17.85 centimeter. Okay, for actually, for the convenience of our drawing, for the better representation of our drawing, as the size of the paper, we should take the total length of the scale for better representation within 17 centimeter or 16 centimeter as our paper is. Okay, now minimum length of the scale, here the 4 primary division and another 1 primary division to represent the secondary and tertiary division. So total length will be the 5 primary division. Okay, here it will be the 5 primary division, 5 primary division. Now, so the total here it will be the 5 primary division, 5 into 3.75, it will be the 17.85 centimeter, as is the total length of the scale. Okay, the minimum length here, minimum length and total length are the same in this particular question. Now come to the drawing part. At first we will take the total length of the scale, and then we also take the 20 parallel line with equal spaced. Here the equal spaced 0.1 inch you can take it, and then draw the 20 equal spaced parallel line to represent the tertiary division. It is the vertical part, it is the tertiary division. Now we have to divide the total length into 5 equal part. In this manner we can divide the total length of the scale in 5 equal part. Now in one primary division is equal to 10 secondary division, so we have to divide the one primary division into 10 equal part in this manner. Okay, now it is the 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. In this way, here 10 kilometer, and here the 0.1 primary division on tertiary division is equal to 0.05 kilometer. In the baseline it will be 0. Okay, and then one primary on tertiary division is equal to 0.05. So in the 10 it will be 0.5 kilometer, and 20 it will be 1 kilometer. Okay, now the arrow line, yellow arrow line shows 45.65, here the 40, here 6, and here 40, here 5. This is the 5, and in this line, in the upper way, you can take the mark in the 13th, 10, 11, 12, 13. In the point 13 here, you will get the total length 45.65 kilometer. Okay, in this way you can represent the total distance which you have directed in the question. Okay, and it is the diagonal scale, the heading diagonal scale you have to write here in the topmost part. And now the question 2, here the calculation part, intermediate exercise question 2, here the calculation part, calculation of diagonal scale. Draw diagonal scale to read 1/100th part, remember it, 1/100th part. Okay, here 1/100th part, here of an inch, remember it, of an inch as conventional scale, and marked here 1/100th part of an inch as conventional scale, and marked an arrow line to read 5.67 inch on it. So at first we should remember, for the distribution of values in step 1, here RF has not been given. To draw the conventional scale, so we can take RF will be 1:1, that is 1 inch on the map is equal to 1 inch on the ground. Okay, now primary division 1 inch into 5, so it is 5 inch, value 1 inch, 0.1 inch on the secondary, number 6, that is 0.6 inch, and in tertiary 0.01 inch into 7, that will be 0.07 inch. So total length will be 5.67 inch. Now the value of one primary division, 1 inch on the ground is represented by 1 inch on the map. So one primary division is equal to 1 inch on the map. Okay, now for total length of the scale, 1 inch into 6, that is 6 inch. Here it will be the 6 inch, and 6 inch ground length, also the 6 inch map distance. Okay, so the total length of the scale is 6 inch. Now come to the drawing part. Here draw total length of the scale and 10 equal part in the 10 equal horizontal line in the vertical side with equal spaced. Here divide it into 6 equal part, as we have to draw the 6 inch scale, and one primary division is divided into 10 part, so that we can get in secondary division 0.1 inches and in tertiary division 0.01 inches, and Here the arrow marks represent the total length 5.67 inch. Here the 5 inch, from here primary division 5 inch, here the 6, here 5, here the 6, and in upper side you can take the length point. Here it will be this portion will be the point, and it will be the 5.67 inches. In this way you can mark the line on the conventional scale, on the drawing of conventional scale. Now the homework assignment, intermediate homework question: draw a diagonal scale to read 54.39 kilometer. Remember it, 54.39 kilometer for the map where RF 1:250,000. Also calculate the minimum length of the scale. Okay. Try to solve the question and submit the calculation and drawing part as a single PDF in our website theqgeo.com. Advanced exercise question AEQ. AEQ 1. Draw diagonal scale to read 54.39 kilometer for the map where RF 1:340,000. And AEQ 2. Draw diagonal scale to read 23.79 kilometer for the map where RF 1:160,000. Now the calculation part of AEQ. Total length, here the total length of the scale 54.39, remember it, 54.39. For the distribution of values in step 1 primary division, value 7 kilometer. You can take it other, but I can do it in this way. 7 kilometer, number 7, so 7 into 7, that is 49 kilometer. Secondary division, here 0.7 kilometer, here 0.7 kilometer, and value also 7. So here that in secondary division we can read 4.9 kilometer, and number of division in secondary part 7 kilometer divided by 0.7 kilometer, that is 10 division, and in tertiary division value is 0.07 kilometer and number is 7. So the total length in tertiary division is 0.49 kilometer, and number of division in tertiary part 0.7, here it will be 0.7 divided by 0.07. okay, so it will be the 10 division. okay, tertiary division, number of tertiary division, value of secondary division divided by value of tertiary division, here 0.7 kilometer divided by 0.07 kilometer is equal to 10 division. So we can find here the total length 49 plus 4.9 plus 0.49 is equal to 54.39 kilometer. The distribution of value is the main factor. You can distribute in other way, here 10 kilometer, here 1 kilometer, then in this way you can get 54 kilometer. But in tertiary division, then you have to draw the 100 line, total 100 division you have to draw in tertiary part. Otherwise you will not be able to complete this portion. So remember it, be careful for distribution of the values. okay, for the value of on primary division in the same way, here the scale 7 kilometer on the ground represented by 2.06 centimeter. okay, so one primary division is equal to 2.06 centimeter. Now the step 3 for total length of the scale, here we multiply into 8 so that we can take the total length 16.5 47 centimeter. Okay, as here the 7 number and one primary division for second to show the secondary and tertiary division. So total primary division will be the 8. So 8 into 2.06, it will be 16.47, as the total length and minimum length are the same for this scale. Now the drawing part. Here the drawing part. This is the drawing. Be careful. Here the 0, 7, 14, 21 in this way, in multiplied by 7. Here the 49 kilometer. Okay, and here 0.7, 1.4 in this way, in the middle part 3.5 kilometer, and then here it will be the 7, as from 0 to 7, this portion 0 to 7, and this also 0 to 7 kilometer. Okay, remember that 1 primary division is equal to 10 secondary division, and 1 secondary division is equal to 0.7 kilometer. In the tertiary values, here 0, here the 0, okay, and 1 tertiary value, here the 0 kilometer, and 1 tertiary value is equal to 0.07 kilometer. In the middle it will be 0.35, okay, and in the top it will be 0.7. 1 primary division is equal to total 1 secondary division is equal to total tertiary division. Okay, and it is a diagonal scale. The length of the scale, arrow line 54.39, here 49 here, and in here in secondary and tertiary it will be the rest of part. Here 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here the 7, and in the upper way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here the 7. Okay, now you can take the total length in this manner. Easily you can draw it. Distribution of value is the main factor in this case. Okay, in this way you can draw the advanced level question in diagonal scale. Now come to the second advanced level question in calculation part. Here 23.79 kilometer, remember it. Here if we take the 3 kilometer, then 7, so it will be 21 kilometer. In secondary division 0.3 kilometer and 9, it will be 2.7 kilometer. Okay, and in tertiary division 0.03 and number 3, it will be 0.09 kilometer. So the total length will be 23.79. This is the main factor. This is a most important part of the distribution of the values. Otherwise you have to draw more and more tertiary division line in tertiary division. Okay, so you seriously think it how to distribution of value, how to distribute the values in proper way. Now in value of primary division in step 2, it is as earlier 3 kilometer is equal to 1.88 centimeter. So 1 primary division is equal to 1.88 centimeter. In this way, 1 multiply into 1.88 centimeter into 8 in both sides, so it will be the 15 centimeter. So the total length will be the 15 centimeter. What will be the minimum length? Minimum length, here the 7 primary division plus 1 primary division for to show the secondary and tertiary division. So the total primary division needed 8 primary division needed. So 1 primary division is equal to 1.88 centimeter. So it will be the 1.88 into 8, that will be the 15 centimeter. In this way you can calculate the problem sum in better way. Otherwise you have to draw more and more line in tertiary division. It will be very laborious and time killing for you. Please remember it. It is very important in distribution of values. Now come to the drawing part. Here the diagonal scale, here 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 in this way, 21, and here the arrow line here the 9, and here 3 in this way, in the upper portion 3, in the secondary division here 9, and in tertiary number of tertiary division will be 3, that is total length will be 23.79 kilometer. Remember it. Very brainstorming question. Okay, if you do it easily, then you will be able to do all the problem sum in diagonal scale. Draw the diagonal scale to read 20.19 kilometer. Remember it, it is very important. Distribution of values, in case of distribution of values, and here the RF is 1:165,000. And draw the, this is the another type of question, you have to think for this. Draw diagonal scale to read 1/200th part of a centimeter as a conventional scale, and marked an arrow line on it to show 6.925 kilometer ground distance. Remember it, 6.925 kilometer ground distance. Okay, for the map where RF 1:50,000. Remember it, it is the ground distance. You have to calculate in map distance this portion. Okay, then do the sum and it will be easy for you. Okay, try to solve the question and submit the calculation and drawing part as a single PDF in our website theqgeo.com. Answer the question in comment box in the video. Advanced short answer questions. Question 1. What will be the minimum total length of the scale in BEQ1, basic exercise question 1, if you have to read 4 kilometer, 7 hectometer and 75 meter. Question 2. What will be the minimum total length of the scale in IEQ1, that is intermediate exercise question 1, to read 35.65 kilometer. And question 3. What will be the minimum total length of the scale in AEQ2, that is advanced exercise question 2, to read 20.79 kilometer. Join our QGeo first semester community to attend the free online classes. The link has been given in the description drop-down menu and the community page of this channel also. Thanks to all of you for subscribing the channel and watching other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Thank you and best wishes